Health and safety requirements in a hair salon, cosmetology. These include the following key areas. Cleanliness and hygiene. Disinfect tools and equipment, e.g., scissors, combs, brushes, after each use. Regularly clean workstations, floors, and surfaces to prevent contamination. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Use gloves when handling chemicals like hair dye or cleaning agents. Provide face masks or goggles when necessary. Safe handling of chemicals. Follow manufacturer instructions for mixing and using chemicals. Store chemicals in a secure, ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and heat. Emergency preparedness. Maintain a first aid kit and train employees on its use. Have clear evacuation routes posted. The 16 required categories on a safety data sheet. Identification. Product name, manufacturer, distributor, recommended uses, and emergency contact details. Hazard identification. Classification of hazards, physical, health, environmental, signal words, e.g., danger, warning, hazard statements, and precautionary measures. Composition, information on ingredients. Chemical composition, including any hazardous components and their concentrations. First aid measures. Instructions for initial care after exposure, symptoms, and when to seek medical attention. Accidental release measures. Steps to contain and clean up spills or leaks, and precautions to prevent exposure. Handling and storage. Safe handling practices, incompatible materials, and storage requirements. Exposure controls, personal protection. Permissible exposure limits, and recommended personal protective equipment, PPE. Physical and chemical properties. Description of the substance's appearance, odor, melting point, boiling point, solubility, etc. Stability and reactivity. Conditions to avoid, incompatible materials, and potential hazardous decomposition products. Toxicological information. Health effects, routes of exposure, symptoms, and toxicity levels. Ecological information, non-mandatory, environmental impact, biodegradability, and potential for bioaccumulation. Disposal considerations, non-mandatory, safe disposal methods and considerations for waste handling. Transport information, shipping classifications, labels, and transport precautions. Regulatory information, applicable safety, health, and environmental regulations. Having accurate and accessible SDS documents in the cosmetology workplace is crucial for maintaining health and safety when handling products like hair dyes, disinfectants, and other chemicals.